Hey y'all, it's Kat from Kat Southern Charms. Back to talk about this wolf mode that I showed you that we painted with mica, chrome powders, and did all that. You can see the holographic for the eyes. Now we're getting ready to pour our mold, and we're pouring the black pre-made from Black Resin. I'm gonna mix it up, get it all poured. When we come back, we're gonna look at the finished project and see how the black background really adds that depth and character to our wolf. We'll be back soon. See you. Hey y'all, it's Kat from Kat Southern Charms. We are back with our wolf. It is done. We're gonna take it out, see what we have, and talk about what our next steps will be with this little wolfie. Y'all remember, I brushed this mold with mica, different micas, with some chrome, with some holographic glitter. Let's get him out. I don't have my spray, but let me grab it. So I have Dawn soap. See how it's blue tint? And when I shake it, it suds up. So I have Dawn soap detergent and water in this misting bottle. And I'm just gonna squirt some down the sides, down underneath here. Just gonna go around and spray this down. And I'm gonna work my fingers around. You can see how it's releasing, right? So now, when I go to pull this out, I'm going to, it's releasing down here. Oop, my ring's falling off. Set it to the side. I'm gonna spray more down here, or it's being stubborn, because we want this to release easy, right? So there we go. Get the ear out, get this one out, and there we go, y'all. Ooh, look at that. See that? That is where some of that resin did not get mixed completely. So, what are we gonna do about that? Well, I'm gonna take handy dandy wipe and I'm going to wipe this up. I will go back and fix that. But there we go, y'all. There is our wolf. And you see how where we brush the different tones of mica into this? And I brush this here to be similar to my huskies that have markings down their snout. And I left dark here, dark here, dark in their ears. Now, if I want to go highlight these areas, I can take an acrylic marker and just put highlights in. Go back with highlights here around the eyes, and I'm going to fill in the pupil area. But you can see where I left pink, where my huskies have pink on their snout, and I'm getting resin on me where that was not mixed completely. And that is a great example. I'm glad this happened, because that shows you what happens because I used the pre-mixed black resin from Black Resin. So I need to clean this out of this mold. And you know the best way to get this out is using vinegar. It will come right out. So I'm gonna clean that mold up. But y'all, here is our final project. Isn't he adorable? I love it. This I'm gonna seal with some UV resin and it'll be fine, because I'm not selling this, I'm keeping it for myself. But that's what we have, and that's how you can brush these different micas in and get these different effects that really, really show good on this wolf. I love it. I'm just gonna color a pupil with a little white highlight on his eyes to make it more realistic. And that's it, y'all. That's what we have. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment below. Did this turn out like you thought, or did it turn out better than what you thought it would, with the different patterns of mica in it, highlighting different areas? Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I'm gonna do some finishing touches on him, give him some highlights to make him more similar to our Huskies, because I will be hanging this in my house as decor. But y'all, that's all for this one. Make sure you do all the YouTube things. The best thing you can do to help the channel is give us a like and comment, because that allows other people to find the video and get the help that they've been looking for. But y'all, until next time, happy arting. Ta-ta for now.